Anatolian Shepherd Dog. The Anatolian Shepherd is a giant dog breed that is rugged and ancient. It usually stands more than 27 inches tall at the shoulder and weighs close to 150 pounds. It's well suited for the harsh terrain, and its muscular body allows it to carry out many tasks, including pulling carts. Some experts believe it's been around since the Bronze Age, more than 6,000 years ago. It's described as intelligent, devoted, and protective. It has a large head with a slightly shortened muzzle, floppy ears, and a curly tail. Its thick double coat allows it to withstand extremely cold temperatures, but it will shed quite a bit. What's the price of Anatolian Shepherd puppies? You can expect to spend about $1,000 on an Anatolian Shepherd puppy. The quality of the breeder and your location can affect the price significantly. A good breeder may run several genetic tests to ensure a healthy puppy, which can increase the cost significantly. Good breeders may also have a waiting list that prevents you from getting the dog immediately. There are many other costs that you will need to pay after you purchase the puppy. You will need to get vaccination shots, have the dog spayed or neutered, and purchase flea and tick medication. You will also need to regularly purchase food, treats, toys, and more that will add up to quite a sum over the lifetime of your pet, especially with such a large dog. 3 little-known facts about Anatolian Shepherd. An Anatolian Shepherd named Kurt stands 40 inches tall and is currently running for Britain's largest dog. Anatolian Shepherds help to conserve cheetahs by scaring them away from flocks of sheep instead of having them shot. Anatolian Shepherds are sensitive to anesthesia, important to know for vet care. Temperament and intelligence of the Anatolian Shepherds. The Anatolian Shepherd is an extremely intelligent dog that naturally works independently with very little instruction. It picks up new tricks quickly and can perform a wide variety of tasks. It's a calm breed that rarely gets aggressive and enjoys playing with children and other pets. It's highly protective of its family members and makes a great watchdog, but it isn't overly barky. However, it is very independent and can be stubborn on occasion. Are these dogs good for families? The Anatolian can make a great family pet for an experienced owner. It's attentive and wary of strangers, so it will make a fantastic watchdog. It also enjoys playing with children, and many owners describe it as a gentle giant. However, since it is so protective, it can become aggressive towards strangers if not properly socialized as a puppy. Early socialization and an owner who knows how to control large dogs are critical to keeping one of these dogs a pet. Does this breed get along with other pets? Anatolian Shepherds are territorial dogs that may not do well around other pets. Early socialization can help them see the other pets as part of their flock, but they will still bark at other passing dogs and animals and may even attack them if not properly trained. An experienced owner will have better luck getting pets to cohabitate. Things to know when owning an Anatolian Shepherd. Food and diet requirements. Despite their extremely large size, Anatolian Shepherds require the same basic diet as any other dog breed. Choose a dry kibble to help keep your pet's teeth clean as it chews, and look for brands that have real meat listed as the first ingredients. Chicken, beef, turkey, lamb, salmon, and other meats will provide your pet with plenty of high-quality protein it needs for energy and muscle. Foods that contain omega fats can be beneficial to large dogs like the Anatolian Shepherd because it reduces swelling in the joints that often plagues the bigger breeds. Omega fats will also produce a shinier coat and can help prevent the skin from becoming dry. Exercise. The Anatolian Shepherd will only require a moderate amount of exercise. We recommend setting 30 minutes a day aside to take your pet for a walk and allow it to spend a while in the yard each day. It likes to go on long hikes in the woods where it can impress you with its nimbleness over rough terrain, but it may become aggressive if there are other animals nearby, so it is important to keep your dog on a leash at all times. Training. Your Anatolian Shepherd is smart enough to learn new tricks, but many inexperienced owners struggle with the dog's stubbornness. We recommend setting aside 5 to 10 minutes each day to train. Keep the sessions short, but be consistent and don't miss any days. Holding your sessions right after a long walk is a great choice because your dog will burn off much of its energy and might be more open to listening and learning. Get some of your dog's favorite treats and motion what you want it to do while you repeat the command. If your dog does what you want, give it a treat and try again. If it doesn't, be patient and keep trying, your dog will come around. Grooming. The Anatolian Shepherd has a thick double coat that will shed quite a bit twice a year in the spring and fall. You will need to brush the coat daily to remove the hair as it falls out during this time. The rest of the year, you should be able to get away with brushing the coat about once a week. If you get started early, your dog will get used to you manually brushing its teeth with a pet-safe toothpaste. Manual brushing can help slow the spread of dental disease, which is common in many dogs. You will also need to trim your dog's nails if you hear them clicking on the floor. Health and conditions. Serious conditions. Obesity. Obesity is a growing problem in American dogs, and many experts suggest that as much as 40% over the age of 5 are obese. It increases the risk of heart disease, diabetes, cancer, high blood pressure, and many other health problems. It can speed the progression of many others, including hip dysplasia and arthritis. Obesity is entirely preventable by ensuring your pet gets the required activity each day and following the feeding instructions on the dog food. Minor conditions. Dental issues. Another problem that affects a lot of dogs, including the Anatolian Shepherd, is dental disease. Some experts suggest that over 80% of dogs more than 3 years old have some form of dental disease. Manually brushing the teeth with a pet-safe toothpaste and frequent checkups can help slow the progression of dental disease. Ear infections. Many dog breeds with floppy ears like the Anatolian Shepherd are susceptible to ear infections. Moisture and dirt can get trapped in the ear and allow bacteria to grow. Symptoms of infection include scratching, shaking the head, and a bad odor. Medication can usually clear it up, but staying vigilant about cleaning and drying the ears can help reduce the risk they will occur. Male versus female. The female Anatolian Shepherd is better around children because they are not as dominant. However, they are more aggressive towards strangers around the home. Males are more relaxed at home and easier to train. Both sexes are about the same size and weight. Final thoughts. The Anatolian Shepherd is a great companion for someone with experience raising large, stubborn dogs. It's loyal and will fiercely protect your family. However, its large size and stubborn temperament can be challenging to someone with less experience. We hope you enjoyed reading over our look into this massive dog, and it has answered any questions you had. If we have convinced you to give one a try in your home, please share our review of the Anatolian Shepherd on Facebook and Twitter.